Good afternoon, one and all. I, Dr. Ashok Keche, welcome you all for webinar on opportunities for mechanical engineers in AI world. The objective of this webinar is to provide an opportunity to educators, industry professionals, and the students from across the state to attend the rich session from being at home. AI helps to increase efficiency and to develop new business models. Production processes can be optimized and the machine and services are extended by intelligent functions through embedded AI solutions. AI will be decisive factor in the future competitiveness of mechanical engineering products and processes. My dear friends, some people call this artificial intelligence, but the really is this technology will enhance us. So instead of artificial intelligence, I think we will augment our intelligence. Now, it is my duty to introduce today's speaker, Mr. Mandar Kulkarni. He has total 12 years experience. Presently, he is working at Findability Science, Aurangabad as an assistant general manager. Previously, he was associated with Cognizant Technology Solutions. Out of 12 years of his experience, he has worked 3 years on site at Scotland, Switzerland, Japan, and 8.5 years in India at different locations like Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Aurangabad. He is an expert in many fields such as banking and financial services, IT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, business analysis, project management, delivery management, and client relationship. He has many more achievements. Some of them are like this: received best business award for business process automation from Cognizant in the year 2013 and awarded as best employee within the Center of Excellence at Cognizant in the year 2015. And he was the role model for software disaster recovery and product at client side at Cognizant. He has received Best Employee Award in Findability Services and elevated from project manager to delivery head in the same company. This was about his brief introduction. My dear friends, please note that challenges are what makes life interesting and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Now I request Professor V.M. Chidri sir to guide us on this occasion. Thank you very much. Chidri sir, please.
Thank you, Keche sir. I welcome Mr. Mandar Kulkarni for the session. I hope our alumni who are working at top level in different organizations will definitely be a resource for our institutional faculty members and students. As we know, he is going to speak on artificial intelligence. And during last 2-3 months, we have seen how the things are changing. We cannot imagine now that we can go to a classroom and teach 60-70 students sitting inside the classroom. We cannot think of going into a seminar hall where it is completely air conditioned and we can be there with 100 students. So these things are going to change. And a big role is going to be played by this new, that is industry 4.0 activities and technologies. And definitely, we being teacher, we are not exposed to these technologies as the industry people are there. So I really welcome these efforts of our department, that they are going to call not only our alumni but industry experts to guide us in a way that whatever future challenges we are going to face will be enough, will have enough capability to handle those things. Now, day before yesterday, I read a news article where he said that in near future, the parent may not be ready to pay huge fees for engineering if engineering classes are going to be taken through video conferencing. So there are different challenges. We have not yet thought of all such challenges which are going to come, and definitely will require lot of intelligence, lot of information, lot of capabilities to be imbibed into us, so that whatever challenges we are going to face in very near future, maybe two months ahead or 3 months ahead or 1 years ahead, we are supposed to get whatever amount of knowledge we can have, whatever skills we can develop, so that we'll be prepared. And in such development, I think people like Mandar Kulkarni and other industrial experts will play a very important role. And I'm very sure that our alumni will definitely help us to be a best institute in the region. Thank you very much.
Before we move ahead, here are a few tips and guidelines to the participants. The first thing is that you can post your questions in the chat section, which will be taken at the end of session, and the certificate of participation will be provided once you submit the feedback form. So feel free to pose your questions, which will be taken at the end of the session. So with this, I request our guest speaker, Mandar Kulkarni sir, to please take over the charge.
Thank you, KJ sir, KJ sir, for introducing. Thank you all for organizing this session. I'll share the my screen and we can start the webinar. So the topic for webinar is opportunities for mechanical engineers in the AI world. So as Chidri sir rightly pointed out, we were not aware even before starting of 2020 what is going to happen in year 2020. Everyone was dreaming, digitalization or going to the moon, and we are landed up in our home. Having said that, if we see the revolution and adoption, everybody has tremendously adopted and changed the things like never before, like working from home, taking the virtual classrooms, doing the virtual work, everything is getting managed and life is going as usual. So in the world of artificial intelligence, mechanical engineers or mechanical engineering is also not behind. We are Mechanical engineers are equally important in the era of artificial intelligence world. So here, to start with, we can see first what exactly the artificial intelligence is. So what is artificial intelligence? So AI is the ability of machine to perform cognitive functions we associate with human minds, such as perceiving, reasoning, learning, and problem solving. So that's short and simple example or definition of artificial intelligence. So let's see some of the examples, like natural language processing, then the image recognition, automated autonomous driving of the car. So there are some of the examples. So here I would like to take a little pause and see if my voice and PPT sharing is all clear and crisp to everybody. Trishul sir, if you can confirm on behalf of everyone.
It is clear.
Okay, perfect.
Yes,
So yeah,
Yes, please go ahead. It is very much clear. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
perfect, wonderful. Thank you very much. So yeah, we can move ahead for the next. So some tidbits about the artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence heralds dramatic potential for growth for both economy and human. It is said by Mark Purdy, Accenture, one of the senior executive of Accenture. Then huge value is going to come from the new goods, services, and innovations. AI will enable that those. It's said by David Otter, professor of economics, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. And then automation, though automation will displace 75 million jobs, but will generate 133 million new ones worldwide by 2022 World Economic Forum. So no need to scare, but need to prepare. That's the simple fundamental to adopted or to get entered into the artificial intelligence world. So when we say adoption of AI, so it's not optional for businesses which are built to last. AI innovations are taking place at a rapid pace. While every business may not know what in AI will be next thing for them to adopt, having a plan is flexible enough to adopt AI is a must. So it's not optional. Having a plan, we should start planning to adopt the AI. It's not good to have, it is a must to have. The first step for AI is having information architecture, IA, ready. If the IA is planned well, adoption of AI will be easy. Said by Mr. Anand Mahorkar, founder and CEO of Findability Sciences and member of Forbes Technical Council. So everyone has to adopt the AI. Like if you can see the revolution, first pager was there to send the message, or even before that, there were postcards were there. Even before that, everybody physically has to go and give the message. Then pager got arrived. Before that, telegram also came into picture. Then the wired telephone has came. Then the basic mobile phones arrived, and after mobile phones have arrived, we can see the rapid growth till now. The smartphones, even we can do work on our phones nowadays, no need of desktops or no need of laptops. That is how everybody, and no matter whether the person is experienced or fresher or skilled or literate or illiterate, everybody is using smartphone. So by looking into the growth of AI, we can see 90% of the data in the world got generated in last 3 years. So to enter into the digitalization or AI world, data is the first and foremost thing. Data is a currency for AI, data is oil, and data is soil. Companies are data rich, unable to utilize. So what is happening is companies are accumulating the data, but they are unable to utilize. And unless and until data is being utilized, we cannot automate the solutions. We cannot implement artificial intelligence effectively. So if you can see, one of the best field in the artificial intelligence is the data scientist. Uh, the Harvard Business Review says it's the sexiest job of the 21st century. There will be shortage of approximately 153,000 data scientists in only US as per the LinkedIn survey. 97,000 job openings in India in 2019 and plus 150,000 in 2020. Analytics India magazine says. And 20% to 25% are fresher level openings. 75% for less than 5 years experience. So that's how the big opportunities are coming, evolving in the world of AI. So let's see, by looking even in the picture, we can see, AI has huge potentials to benefit the human race. Okay, so AI is, if we look AI in terms of our convenience, okay, AI is made to make the human life easy, not to break the life. If we look into that way, we have lot things actually, and AI has huge potential to benefit. Listening the music through smartphone, it itself is a AI. Even checking the time in our wristwatch, which is there in our hand, that itself is an artificial intelligence. Then measurement, ultrasonographies and 3D printers, and checking the defects in the physical body or even in any machines in the industry, even in the agriculture sector, horticulture sector, everywhere. AI, people started using the artificial intelligence and its applications. So, why to go very far? Let's take current example, how AI combating with the COVID-19. So, AI, artificial intelligence or machine learning or data analytics, it is accelerating the research. Even before also, there were the influenza or swine flu like conditions, or the pandemic happened. Having said that, in the current situation of COVID-19, each newspaper, each every digital media, digital platform, uh, each news channel, they are completely speaking on descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, on what would be the projection, or prescriptive analytics, how we can take care of the things. And I can proudly say I'm working with one of the Indian state government to provide all this COVID-19 related analysis. And in last week, government of India have appreciated the work we do for that particular state. So, in terms of combating COVID-19, okay, so it performs very good stages like detection is there, prevention, response, recovery. So, in terms of detection, we will get the early warning, the detecting anomalies and digital smoke signals like blue dot, then diagnosis, pattern recognition using medical imaginary and symptom data, etc. And very good example, if you want to admire, is the Arogya Setu app. So I believe everybody who is attending the webinar who has available the Arogya Setu, and we can see the benefit, like within 500 meter I do have any containment zone, or is anybody is there as a patient, like that we can quickly check. In the prevention, we can perform the prediction, so we can calculate the person's probability of infection, then how many infections will happen. Okay, then there will be the surveillance to monitor and track the contagion in real time by using the contact tracing like we have just spoke. Then the information, like personalized news and content moderation to fight transformation, example like we have social networks. Then the responses, so as a part of response we have the delivery and social automation. So as a part of delivery, drones are there actually for drones for materials transport, robots for high exposure tasks at hospitals. Then service automation, so deploying triggering virtual assistants and chatbots. So Canada's the example is Canada's COVID-19 chatbot. Our organization Findability Sciences also developed the telemedicine application Touchbase Live. So anybody can from home contact to doctor and do the video consultation. And we have also developed the chatbot which details about all the COVID-19 frequently asked questions. And then there is a mechanism of recovery, so it can monitor the track economic recovery through satellite, GPS, social media data. Example is VBank. This is just the representative list, and a lot is there in terms of how pharmaceutical sector will get managed, how GDP will get managed, then how economy, how essential goods and services, then supply chain management. So lot is there, and it is happening because of digitalization or artificial intelligence. So what are the trustworthy AI requirements? The requirements we can trust upon. So first is the accountability. Where there is accountability and AI is required, yeah, that's the trustworthy. Then human agency and oversight, then technical robustness and safety, then we have the privacy and data governance. So we need to make sure that data is sensitive, whatever the data we are working, that should not get leaked. Then we should have the transparency, then diversity, discrimination and fairness, then the social and environmental well-being. So it says to be continuously evaluated and addressed throughout the AI system's life cycle. So that's the clear and crisp trustworthy AI requirements. Then I'll move to the next, a much interesting part for which, yeah, we have this session here. So as of now, we have covered the what is the artificial intelligence, what we can do. So anything we can do, where the requirements, there are a lot of requirements, and whatever we are even currently facing the situation due to the artificial intelligence, we are able to manage our work and manage many things. So that's how AI. So everything, there are two parts actually. One is the coin has even two sides. So if we can see positive and negative, so if we can only concentrate on positive side, it would be very easy for us to enter, get interest and build ourselves in the world of artificial intelligence. So most important factor is get fear out from the mind. Be ready for the adoption of the artificial intelligence and work towards what is required to adopt really the artificial intelligence. There are a lot areas in the mechanical engineering. So I'd like to first show one wonderful video which is from the General Motors. We can see the video and then we'll go through. Yeah, so wonderful video it was actually from the General Motors. So hope everybody have enjoyed the video. Again, to brief you in 1 or 2 minutes. So actually, one of the customer of Motors purchased the car named as Pontiac, and he had culture in his family. So after every dinner, they used to go to the ice cream shop to purchase the ice cream, and the ice cream shop was designed in such a way that vanilla ice cream was being most popular. It was at the front door, and other flavors were in the uh, other areas. So other flavor, to buy the other flavor, it would have taken sufficient amount of time. So if he stops the car and go to buy the other flavors, car would have got sufficient amount of time for engine to get down actually. And if he choose to buy the vanilla ice cream, he just stop the car, buy the vanilla ice cream, and within few seconds or minutes, we can say, he come back and start to drive the car. So it did not allow the customer to sufficiently cools the engine, and vapor lock was getting repaired. So with one of the engineer joined, and with the cool mind and the analytical mind, okay, he have collected all the data, timing, engine related information, and he got the solution. Yeah, it's the time is the issue, and the vapor lock is not allowing. So yeah, so now we can see the industry 4.0 revolution. So when we talk about the mechanical engineering, um, hit topic is the industry 4.0 revolution. So it started with the industry 1.0. So industry 1.0 was the mechanization, steam power, weaving loom. Then it got revolved to industry 2.0. So it was mass production, assembly line, electrical energy. We can even sense now, by looking this chart, industry 3.0. So it had automation like PLC machines and other things. Then computers, introduction of computers and electronics. And now we come to the industry 4.0. So if we just compare industry 3.0 and 4.0, so 3.0, the computer and electronics got introduced, but with the limited use. Like computers were used to generate the reports, maintain the workers repository, maintain the data of industry. Having said that, when we are entering into the industry 4.0, it is taking care of all, like cyber physical systems, internet of things, networks. So that's how the industrial 4.0 revolution is. So most important thing, what we need, or essential or required skills an engineer should have, or specifically a mechanical engineer. So various or different questions are coming into our mind is very confused. How I can go to the artificial intelligence? There people might be thinking very it's like rocket science, but believe on me, don't scare about the thing. The skills required are very uh, basic. If you adopt those skills which are mentioned, you will be very well versed and able to enter into the artificial intelligence, even in your core area of mechanical. So first, you must be having designing thinking and skills. I don't think separately mechanical engineer need to tell that you need to have the design skill. And having Chidri sir on the call, we need not even to say designing skill should be required. The person who attends the Chidri sir's lecture definitely comes with very good designing skills. We need to have the technical skills, no matter whether the technical, I mean, software skills, whatever we are learning, the technical skill generates our ability to understand, ability to process, ability to recognize the things. Then we need to have the commercial awareness, whatever is going on in the commercial. Then the analytical skills to check the problem, perform the analytics, like we have just seen in previous video, the analytical skill, how the skills are important. Then we need to start getting communication as well as leadership skills. Then management skill, we have to manage the people as well as machine. And problem solving abilities. So by adopting or taking these skills in ourselves, we would be very much prepared to enter into the artificial intelligence world, or enter into the current revolutionary world. What are all the opportunities? So for mechanical engineers specifically, the opportunities are robotics, speech recognition, facial recognition, navigation, mapping, motion planning, object recognition. So wherever we go, okay, even let's say about the robotics, first and foremost thing is we need to think how I have to design the robot. What are all the hardware components? How I can design those hardware? How I can programmatically perform or generate the program, okay, to work on the so that functionally robot can work. Then speech recognition is also the same. Whoever is speaking, so the text have to be to get recognized. Then the facial recognition, whether the person speaking, what are all the emotions or the things are there in the facial on those person. Then the navigation and mapping, so there we can even categorize that as a GPS or GPRS, motion planning, and then the object recognition. So there are sort of few sample opportunities or example opportunities, and there are a lot. So in the next we can quickly go through one of the quickest case study, which I believe from the mechanical engineering background everybody is interested to know. Case study for the autonomous car. So what is meant by autonomous car? It's an vehicle that can drive itself from one point to another point without assistance from a driver. In other words, with an autopilot system. So what it requires for to create or design the autonomous car? So there are things like a lidar is there, position estimator. Then we have the we need to have radar. We need to have the video camera. So they are the things we need to have in addition to the complete design and manufacturing of the car. Okay. So even if we think that driver's job will go away, so let's see, it is creating an opportunity to design and generate the lidar, create the video cameras, position estimator, radar. So one opportunity goes away, we will have more than 5 to 6 opportunities as a part of even only for autonomous car. So lidar is nothing but a rotating sensor on roof, which needs to be installed on the car. Then the video camera, we all know, which can be mounted near the rear view. So yeah, means we can see those parts in detail in the next slide. So components of autonomous car. So first is the GPS. So it gives the position of the car using satellite in a map like Google Map. Map gives information about upcoming intersections, traffic report, directions, paths. So that's how GPS works. Even whenever we are traveling or walking, if we have the GPS enabled any system available like Adidas or here Fitbit or any other thing, okay, it gives actually how many steps we have walked, or if we are driving, then the traffic report, like not go through shortest route, take a long route, but yeah, it has the cleanest traffic, there is no traffic, route is clean. Then the direction, even if we don't know where address, we can quickly enable the Google Map, type the address, and yeah, I mean, we can navigate towards. Then the lidar, it's not nothing but light detection and ranging. It's heart of autonomous car. It is a rotating sensor on the roof producing laser beam, scans more than 200 feet in all direction. It makes a precise three-dimension map of surroundings. Then it comes to the radar. So radar, it helps to determine the position of distant object. Radar sensors in the front and back of the car. So actually, the radar has to be placed front and back side of the cars. Then the video camera, so it's mounted near the rear view mirror, detects traffic lights, moving objects, etc. And the position estimator, so it's mounted on left rear wheel. It measures small movement of the car and accurately locates its position on the map. So, as a part of this use case, we have seen the autonomous car. Okay, the efforts required to build the autonomous car. Means by looking or simply telling, it's very easy to say that yeah, the autonomous cars are taking place of regular car and drivers. Having said that, the revolution require needs huge effort, manpower, or the logical, technical thinking, design thinking, and the expert knowledge. So that's nothing but the one of the case study of the autonomous car. Then we can move to the next. So as a mechanical engineer, okay, instead of fearing, we have to remember machine rules the world, but we rule the machine. If x axis is computer, y is an electrical, z is civil, then don't scare. We are mechanical engineers. We are the origin. Mechanical engineering is the origin. When mech rests, world rests. That's the fundamental. And yeah, mechanical engineer can fit everywhere and anywhere. So here comes with, to start with the artificial intelligence or begin with, there are some of the top 10 online courses. So first is machine learning as certification. It's by Stanford University and available on Coursera. Then the deep learning by Andrew Ng, Coursera. AI for everyone by Andrew Ng. Again, it's for Coursera. Artificial intelligence certification by Columbia University. It's available on edX. Deep learning by IBM. Again, it's available on edX. Artificial intelligence A to Z. Learn how to build an AI. It's available on Udemy. Artificial intelligence for beginners. It's a free course, and LinkedIn Learning in the Linda. Then we have advanced AI tutorial. So deep reinforcement learning in Python. It's in Udemy. Then we have artificial intelligence course, so reinforcement learning in Python. And another one is the artificial intelligence or certificate course by Microsoft. it's again available in edX. So these are not only gives you the learning or knowledge about the artificial intelligence, but it gives the idea about what are all different parts of artificial intelligence, what are the basics, with uh, industry expert services organizations certificate. So that's the clear and crisp presentation from my end to tell about what artificial intelligence is, how opportunities are there, specifically in terms of mechanical engineers, how to enter in the mechanical in the AI world, what are the skills required, then what are the different opportunities, then one simple case study. There are a lot actually, and then the online courses. So yeah, we can open the question answer line now. So I would request Kaji sir and Trishul sir to share the question and we can answer.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Thanks a lot for such a nice session, sir. Some of the questions that are raised by the participants in the chat box are:
Okay.
number one is, how can a mechanical engineer become a data scientist?
Okay. Yeah, good question it is. Okay, so first I'll tell you what data science, where data science comes into the picture in the AI. So AI has different sections. AI has robotics, machine learning, deep learning, then other sections as well: digitalization, augmented reality, virtual reality. So under the machine learning, okay, or deep learning, the main work of data scientist comes in a play. So in machine learning there are three types. First one is the supervised machine learning, second is unsupervised, and third one is the reinforcement learning. So that's the brief about the AI and the machine learning hierarchy. So where mechanical engineer can see. So as a background of mechanical engineer, if we have our statistical, operational research, mathematical skills are very strong, we have the analytical capability and understanding the requirements. Yeah, we can start our career as a data scientist. What we need is very simple. We have to learn the SQL, structured query language, the operations, how to play with the data by using either RStudio, which is the statistical tool, or the Python. Python is again booming in the world of AI or in the world of software. So, and it is very easy to learn and work on the Python. Does
Thanks a
it?
lot, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Thanks a lot. Uh, so the next question is, which programming languages are necessary for artificial intelligence?
Yeah, so we have just covered like that a person, okay, has to know one of the basic programming language. Either it could be C or C++ or Java, anything, just to know how a programming language flow works. Then we can directly jump into the database and Python. So one of the any basic programming language to know the concept, flowchart, how it works, and then Python and database. So database could be any like MySQL, MS SQL, like.
Thank you, sir. So the next question is, sir, how many programming languages you need to be profounded while working in data science field?
Yeah, so a person has to have the knowledge on database and either RStudio or Python. That's it. Very simple answer.
Okay, sir.
It's not something we need to know hundreds and hundreds of programming language. Not like that.
Thank you, sir. So the next question is, does companies give preference to mechanical engineers instead of computer engineers as our domain is not AI?
Preference is given to anybody who has the proper the skills I have shown, and those were not the domain or branch agnostic. They are the common. The student who has the analytical communication capability, understanding capability, most important thing is willing to learn and willing to do attitude. Yeah, the preference is always given to such candidates, no matter whether he is from computer or he is from mechanical background. Even here, I would like to give my example. So, in the year of 2008, okay, when Cognizant came in the MIT for the campus placement, so I was from mechanical engineering, BTech, Maharashtra Institute of Technology, Aurangabad. I was the one candidate from mechanical engineering who got selected, and the interviewer never ever asked me about any programming of computer, because he was knowing that I am from mechanical engineering. So he traced me about my analytical skills. He gave me the assignment in the interview to write down the flow charts, algorithms, and ask about my mechanical subjects, how my understanding was in my 3 years, because on the pre-final year I got selected. So for last 3 years, how my understanding of the subject and how I interpret those. So that's the answer.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Some more questions you like to taking, sir?
Yeah, should be fine. We have time actually, so we can take. I
Yeah.
mean, I'm okay.
The next is, which companies offer the job for mechanical engineer in AI?
Any company can offer the job nowadays. Okay, even if you can go IBM, Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, those are the big companies, and even the companies, even the Findability Sciences, one of the big company in the artificial intelligence world, we also offers the job in the AI world.
Thank you, sir.
So, as a part of, I think academics, actually, companies come, or when we pursue the online training, complete online training and certification, the mediums like Coursera or edX or those, they specifically also supports for the placement and assistance.
Thank you, sir. So people are asking, what is the basic difference between AI and machine learning? Generalized
See,
question.
yeah. So it's a general question actually, and many people got their minds confused. AI is an umbrella, okay?
Yes.
Robotics, augmented reality, like Professor said, virtual reality, then machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision. They comes under the umbrella of artificial intelligence. So to
Okay.
answer clearly the question, machine learning is a part of AI.
Thank you, sir. The next question goes as, is AI only used for mechanical industry or also in different? Is AI only used for automobile industry or also in different types of industries?
It can be used everywhere, no matter which industry it is. Let's take an example of insurance. Okay, so for the insurance, how many customers we can perform always the prediction or forecasting by studying or analyzing the data, and recommend the insurance companies or providers. Yeah, these many people will register for the insurance policy, or let's say there are the claims. So which are all the fraudulent claims by considering the data. In the mechanical industry, yeah, I mean, by using our knowledge and the artificial intelligence, we can automate the way machines are learning. In the insurance or in the banking or in other domains, so it is again domain specific. In the construction sector, again, yeah, we can automate the things, how the construction is, how the houses are being built, so that can be automated. In the banking, we have seen, we everybody uses the automated teller machine, ATM. We have ATM card, so there is no need to stand in a queue to fill the form, go to the cashier, give the passbook and withdraw the money. Within a fraction of second, we can withdraw the money.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So the next question is, how can AI be used to enhance the design aspect of the process in industry?
Yeah. So earlier, at the very beginning, the designing was done by a manual, and there were manual errors. Having said that, it got revolutionized. We have got 2D drawings using the CAD, CAM, and other drawing softwares. Now we have got the uh, 3 dimensional drawings, so we can have even 0.00001 percent of precision in any of the design we are making. We have all the scales available, all the tools available. It's very easy to adapt, learn, and use. And that is the reason we are seeing, the revolution. Let's take a simple example of car. So earlier cars, and how the car designs and coloring and the new features are being added into the cars. Let's just consider the Maruti 800 and the same Maruti's Ciaz car. So how it got improved.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So the next question is, student is asking, sir, if a mechanical engineer becomes a good programmer, company will prefer a mechanical engineering student over a computer science student. Is it true?
Uh, to very simply give answer to that question, I am a mechanical engineer. Graduate from our MIT college. I am proud alumni of MIT Aurangabad. I have graduated in 2019, BTech Mechanical. KH sir taught me. Chidri sir also taught me. I am proud to say that, yeah, I am mechanical engineer, and I am successfully working in the field of software and artificial intelligence.
Thank you, sir. We are also proud of you, sir.
Thank you.
The next is, how the mechanical engineer can enter into AI world. What are the basic steps he or she should follow to enter into the AI world?
Yeah, that's I think we have already covered in the webinar. So basic steps are like, you need to have the thinking ability, analytical skills. I'll go to that slide. So these are the required skills. Okay, don't even what happens generally is we do overcomplicate the things, like, oh, I need to learn the Java, React JS, J2EE, Java advanced version, I need to join the CTEC course. Nothing. These are the required skills. We need to have the design skill. Whatever the skills I have mentioned here, all we can develop as a part of our college or academics. Designing, technical, commercial awareness, analytical, communication and leadership, management, problem solving. Okay, they are the skills we have to learn from ourselves intuitively.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, the next question is, sir,
Uh-huh.
how much time will it generally take to master in data science?
There are master programs starting from 6 months to 2 years. So yeah, I mean, it again depends on the person to person how quickly he can learn. Okay, but yeah, I mean, I don't think it's a lengthy process. Even within a 6 month, we can enter into the data science world. What we need is to understand the data, to play with the data, and to build the models out of the data.
So the next question is, what will be the scenario for artificial intelligence in India in the upcoming years?
Yeah, I mean, not only India, everybody in the world, every country has to adopt the artificial intelligence or virtualization or visualization, and we are moving towards it. We have great and lot opportunities in India as well.
Thank you, sir. Uh, so one last question is, to what extent do you predict that AI will be replacing jobs? Has it started happening already?
Yeah, so for that, we have to look back actually. People were very scaring when computers came into the India, the software industry. People were started thinking yeah, software will take lot and lot of jobs, but it created opposite situation, and it has created lot and lot many of jobs. So same with the AI. So to even build the data, understand the data, play with the data, build the model, or serve the industry, like we have seen in our use case of autonomous car, we need many people to build that. The main thing is it's the evolution and revolution we have to adopt.
Thank you, sir. So this was all about the question answer session.
Perfect.
These were the questions from the participants today. So heading towards, I'll switch it over to Dr. Keche sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mandar Kulkarni sir, for your nice and informative presentation
Thank you, sir.
on AI. It will definitely help mechanical engineers to build their career in AI. And you have rightly mentioned that if machine rules the world, then we rule the machine. And I think that is the power of
Exactly.
mechanical engineering.
Exactly.
Yeah. So I request Quazi sir to propose the vote of thank and make the announcement for the second session.
Yeah.
Quazi
So
sir, please.
before
Yes.
Kaji sir makes the announcement, I would like to say sincere thanks to uh, Keche sir, specifically to you, Chidri sir, Trishul sir, and Kaji sir for giving the opportunity to talk with interact with the students and experts, and arranging the seminar. So thanks from my end.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Not
Uh,
sure we have concluded our session.
okay. So actually, we want to hear it more from you, sir. But again, we'll be arranging some more webinars for our students. I think it is more of required for the students to listen to you, because we are a pride mechanical engineer for us, sir.
Thank you very much.
Uh, uh, so moving towards the vote of thanks. First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. Mandar Kulkarni, sir, Group Manager, Findability Sciences, Aurangabad, uh, for arranging such a very nice webinar for the students of mechanical engineering. I think not only students and faculties from mechanical engineering and industry person, but also from the other branches have registered their names for this webinar. So thanks a lot, sir, for being there. Uh, I thank to Principal Dr. S.P. Bhosle sir for his guidance and continuous support. I express my gratitude to Dr. A.J. Keche sir for giving us a chance to organize such an event for all the engineers in the society. I'm very much thankful to the Dean Alumni Affairs, Professor V.M. Chidri sir, for being there to inaugurate the event today. Next on, this event would not be successful without giving a big thanks to the very encouraging and supporting mechanical engineering department of MIT Aurangabad. Also thanks and gratitude towards all the coordinators, myself, Professor I. Quazi, Mr. TP Kulkarni sir, and Mr. P.L. Lard sir from Mechanical Department for arranging such an event. Mr. Praveen Lard sir is not there in the meeting today, but he is continuously monitoring the YouTube live and posting the questions from the participants. So thanks a lot, sir, for being there. Last but not the least, I'd also thank all the participants. Without you, this program would not be successful. And I can see that a lot of participants are continuously joining the webinar time by time. So not taking too much of time, we'll switch over to the next session. Thanks a lot, Mandar sir, for being there. And thanks all the supporting staff and all the mechanical department. Thanks a lot. So over to Keche sir. Hello sir.
Hi.
Yes sir. So sir, we will be starting the next session.
Can we start the second session, sir? Sir.
Yes sir, surely. Mr. Lalit,
Okay.
is he there online?
Please confirm.
So it's an announcement for all the participants to be there on the same YouTube live streaming link so that we can again attend the next webinar on Journey of Excellence through TPM by Mr. Lalit Patil sir. The session will be starting within a moment.
I request Keche sir to please introduce the speaker.
Okay. Good afternoon, one and all. I, Dr. Ashok Keche, welcome you all for webinar on Journey of Excellence through TPM. The objective of this webinar is to explore Journey of Excellence through TPM with interaction with industry expert. This webinar session will provide platform to students, faculties, industry professionals to express their ideas and views, and also student gets benefit to relate theoretical knowledge with practical inputs of the field. Perfect production with zero breakdown, zero defects and zero accident may seem like a dream, but the total productive maintenance approach is bringing manufacturers closer to making this reality. Total productive maintenance is the process of maximizing equipment effectiveness through the active involvement of all supporting departments. The goal of TPM is to maximize the equipment effectiveness, and OE provides an effective way of measuring and analyzing the efficiency of a single machine, cell, or an integrated manufacturing system. OE increases with increase in equipment availability, the performance efficiency, and the rate of quality product. The goal of TPM is to improve overall productivity by optimizing equipment availability. My dear friends, I am failing in my duties if I do not introduce today's speaker, Mr. Lalit Patil. He has more than 33 years rich experience in leading corporation companies like 18 years in Bajaj Auto Limited World Aurangabad, in automobile sector, in machine tool division, and hands-on experience and knowledge about manufacturing of precision components on CNC machines, CNC programming, self-defining production processes, and inspection, etc. 12 years in Godrej and Boyce Company Limited in Aerospace Division in Management. He has joined as a technical associate, a band, and promoted as Band 3 Deputy Manager till date. He is presently working with Godrej Aerospace Division as a Deputy Manager in Business Excellence Department. He is responsible for TPM implementation to achieve TPM Excellence Consistency Award by JIPM, TPM Facilitator for TPM Excellence Journey at Vendors, Faculty for Manufacturing Concept, Education and Training at corporate level for Learning and Development Team, Divisional Team Facilitator for 5 years Kaizen TPM in for LN and PLM software which is required for manufacturing, and 3 years full-time process champion for manufacturing in inform implementation project for Godrej Aerospace Division. He has acquired knowledge and skill of the software inform and PLM. The key areas are like TPM implementation. He has successfully implemented TPM in aerospace company as per JIPM TPM terminology and execution of master plan under the guidance of TPM counselor and awarded by JIPM by TPM Excellence Award in a category A. His division stands as the first division in Godrej and first in aerospace sector in India. He has brought cultural change in organization by implementation of 8 pillars objectives as per the TPM philosophy, ensuring accomplishment of business goals through master plan, Inform LM and PL software implementation. He has successfully migrated ERP brand data of company to ERP Inform LM software with the new logic created training modules and train trainer to adopt new processes. My dear friends, opportunity don't happen, you create them. Once you choose hope, anything is possible. Don't limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. You can go as far as your mind lets you. What you believe, remember, you can achieve anything in your life. The best example of this is Mr. Patil. Thank you very much and best of luck for future. Now I request Dr. Kulkarni sir, Vice Principal Academics, Maharashtra Institute of Technology, to guide us on this occasion. Sir, please.
Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. I thanks to Mechanical Engineering Department for giving me this opportunity to address this webinar. On behalf of Maharashtra Institute of Technology and on behalf of Mechanical Engineering Department, I welcome Mr. Lalit Patil, sir, Deputy Manager, Godrej Aerospace, Corporate Learning and Development Division. PK sir has very nicely introduced about sir, his achievements, his projects, and the achievement what he has done. Sir, the name of the topic itself is the journey of excellence through TPM. So the word excellence itself gives us all about idea that we have to be excellent. And as a logo of our MIT is quest for excellence. So to enhance the quality of technical education and to elevate standards, the Department of Mechanical Engineering is regularly involved in organizing various activities. And during this pandemic also, we are giving to our students, we are keeping them updates with the new technologies. We are interacting with the outside world. So I hope this webinar will be a great help to our students. And the topic that is Journey of Excellence through TPM. So it is all about quality, standards, and reliability. So all these things are also applicable to the students in their routine life also to achieve excellence. So I congratulate the department for organizing this. I welcome Lalit Patil sir, and I feel that this session will be a very great session for all our audience who are online. And definitely during this period of pandemic also, they are getting a very valuable information. I hope that will be very useful for them to be a technically strong and excellent engineer, so they can have a skills so as to become a good engineer. So once again, I thank to the department and hand over the mic to KJ sir and Trishul sir for further sessions. Thank you, sir.
Now I request Mr. Lalit Patil sir to start the presentation. Patil sir, please.
Sorry for inconvenience.
Okay, no problem. You can start the presentation.
So today's presentation topic, this is the summary index that we are going to talk about overview of Godrej Aerospace, awards and recognition, customer base of aerospace, Godrej Aerospace, various business excellence tools we analyze that which tool is suitable for us to improve productivity and quality. So then why what TPM and why we decided to go for TPM, then journey, then aim, mission, vision, value, then KMI, KPI, KI, then TPM targets we decided. Uh, so those are the headlines of our journey. Here you can see we are working in three segments. Our business is divided in three segments. So first is defense, another is space, and third one is aircraft business. So in defense, it is very interesting that we are working in defense from long duration, and in picture you can see there those are BrahMos missile. It is a pride for nation. It's supersonic missile airframe assembly we are manufacturing and supplying to DRDO. So it is very complex technological thing we are manufacturing, and this is the private sector where company we are supplying those missiles till 100 delivered, and onward we have big order in hand. Then LRSM, long range surface missile, also we are working for. Then here is one latest development. We supplied ventilator solenoid valves. So in COVID-19 situation, the indigenous solenoid valves used for ventilator was the challenge for Indian government, and the commitment to nation by Godrej family. It is decided to cater for defense space and this kind of pandemic situation. Godrej family is always with the country, and we developed those kind of walls and we supplied to DRDO. This is the latest achievement of our company. Now second segment is we are manufacturing the space. We are manufacturing engines for space program of ISRO. and where near about 100 plus engines we supplied Vikas engine. Then another 75 kilonewton thrust engine GSLV for GSLV. First one is for PSLV vehicle, and third one is C20 engine, which is also very huge thrust, 200 kilonewton thrust powerful engine we manufacture. And now semi cryo engine, which is 2000 kilonewton thrust, it is under development in our plant. So you can see that all the PSLV, GSLV vehicles successfully launched the space program of ISRO, and we have pride that in Chandrayaan and Mars mission, our engine was successfully worked with the parameter decided by scientists. So for these programs, Mr. Abdul Kalam also visited to our company, and that is one of the pride moment for us. Then third segment is the domestic and international aircraft business, where we are supplying the precise assembly which are you are in the slide. The tubing for aircraft, actuators, brackets, sheet metal assemblies, pod assemblies. So Rafale is one of the super aircraft. In that the pod assembly is fitted. Then so many areas we are working. Now just we entered in the composite segment, because the metallic manufacturing is different. But now in latest technology of aircraft, this segment is very important. In that we entered. Now recent development that you see that this actuator, that actuator is a very important part of in Tejas project. We supplied the actuators and successfully work. So indigenous actuators now we are manufacturing, and it is supplied to defense. So it is very pride to work here in Godrej. This kind of prestigious product we are manufacturing under visionary leader Mr. S.M. Vaidya, who started this division and reached to the from 2-3 engineers and small group that division is started. Now it is 700 plus people we are working together with expertise in the manufacturing segment, where we are expert in the process designing and process architecturing of the precision parts manufacturing. So those are some pride awards and recognition. You can see here Mr. Manmohan Singh, Nirmala Sitaraman. So we got the Defense Technology Excellence Absorption Award, Excellence in Manufacturing Award, then SNECMA Award. So it is international level award. Those are our Indian National Award. We have a huge customer base. We are supplying to ADA, ISRO, HL, BrahMos. So Bharat Dynamic, like that, we are supplying to Indian prestigious companies where the research scientists are developing the products and which are manufactured and supplied by us. At international segment, we are working for very prestigious customers like Rolls-Royce, Rafael, Moog, Safran, Honeywell, Boeing, Eaton, so GE. So those are the very prestigious customers, and we are successfully supplying all those customers their as per their requirements the components. Now you can see that in this business, if the customers are very tough to about quality and productivity and delivery schedule, and if we can't comply the requirement of customer, the customer will not give us more and more orders. So to satisfy the customers, we should always improve our productivity, quality, cost, and safety, delivery, all the parameter and aspect expected by customer. So that and to achieve that, to create the sufficient and suitable environment in the production system, that was the challenge. In 2009, our top management under guidance of Mr. S.M. Vaidya decided that which is the best tool suitable for our business, so that we can care about all the aspect and all the parameters requirement of customers, and we can build the team, which team will work for company, and in this picture you can see so many tools are available to excel the business. Toyota production system picture is here. You can see 5S, SMED, visual controls, Kanban, TPM. So many tools are available. Lean manufacturing, Six Sigma. Business excellence, in business excellence EFQ module, or so many. You can. There is a huge list that which exact terminology is most suitable for our business, our type of business. So after brainstorming and so many discussions, we decided that for production process development, TPM is most suitable for us, because it will take care from top to bottom and total productive maintenance. So the total things, the people, and the assets, and the material and all the requirements can be covered, and under one umbrella we can uh, join the people, and we will get the expected results. So here you can see the Jisoo Ojan is the first pillar. Second is plant maintenance pillar, quality maintenance pillar. So eight pillar, those are designed by JIPM, and it is successfully implemented in most of the automobile companies. But in automobile companies, they are working for large scale manufacturing, so their volume is high and repetitive similar type of production they are doing. But in our production it is not the same. We are working on project type of business where the build to spec, our concept is build to spec. So we are not designing anything as per the customer's requirement. We are designing the process architecture. So our methoding and expert people's team is available, which is designing the product and define the product process, which is optimum and most suitable, which is production rate, the quality rate, the customer requirement, and all the aerospace standards compliance will be there. So that is the competency level we have. So now we talk about what is the terminology TPM. In TPM, total productive maintenance means, in Marathi we can say Sampurna Utpadan Ksham Dekhbhal. Means whatever the resources we have, man, machine, material, methods, tools, environmental condition, everything, and all the participant, managers, engineers, supervisor, technician, operators, and last person of the company, everyone should be connected with the top level thinking. That what the top person is thinking, everybody should think in that way and in that line. Then the corporate culture will be developed. So TPM, we found that it is suitable for us. Then to improve the productivity in the company, that is also in all companies are expecting that productivity rate should be high, because more and more you produce, then your turnover will improve. To run that turnover or to improve the turnover, the equipment efficiency should be very well established. So we in the all the machines, we started calculating and collecting data, and we set the data collection mechanism, and we are benchmarking that what is the existing OE we have at 2009. So in next slide I will show you what was the OE of our machines, and then we started improving. Then another expectation of our company, that our company is committed for safety, that 100% safety compliance we are thinking, that safety is first, is motto of our company. So zero failure, zero accident, and zero defect. So those three parameters we are thinking that it should be 0. But in Gemba, then actual side or Gembatsu, actual things are not that much competent. So we should think that how we can achieve. Hello.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead. We can hear you.
So how to achieve 0 in all 3 parameters? That was the challenge. So what is the existing current reading of all those parameters we studied, and we note down all the data collection related to those aspects. Then cover all the departments, because the production departments and office departments always on in all companies, the office department thinks that it's not their area, that production people what they are doing is not their area. So that blue color and white collar thinking is there. So we break that in our company, that every office person know the production process very well, and he is always aware about the production process, people's pain, and his role to support production is well known to him now. Then full involvement of top management. So I told you that our business head and the DMC, that our divisional committee is very committed to the divisional goals, and they have very well know about the company's future plan. Then 0 losses. So there are so many hidden losses in the process. How to control those losses? So we, the last person know very well about the losses, because it directly connected with the component to change the size, shape, and appearance of the component. So we created TPM circle small group activities, and they started working to control the losses. Now, why our management decided to go for TPM? Because less production due to more losses. There is a problem that more rework in the component, but that was not that much problem, because we are in aerospace company. We are very controlled atmosphere manufacturing process. Then more breakdown, defect, and accident. There are more lead time in new product development. This area was again challenging for us, because all the project type of work, the new product design is coming to us to develop the process architecture. It was challenging to develop that process architecture in the decided time frame. That was the challenge, and to develop the suitable equipments for the producing that component. That was also one of the challenge. Then less employee involvement. That was also one of the area where all the employees are not fully involved in the company's top line thinking. So to motivate, to educate, to engage those peoples with the company's goal, that was one of the challenge. And more losses in office area. So low competency profile, that we have people, but peoples are not competent to do the work independently. They are always stuck up with somewhere where the knowledge of lack of knowledge or lack of skill. Then another one is to increase the business by adding new customers. So this is possible, and it is done by our company. That new technological things we adopted. We go for civil aviation, and all those area we covered, and international market we entered after those implementation of TPM, and increase the what the customers you seen from international market. That thinking came to us after that TPM implementation. This is the journey where we can see in 2009 we declared our business, declared that we are going for TPM, and we started from scratch, because in our company there is no any benchmark company for us to start with guidance of that company how to implement TPM, because there is no any that is only a plain paper with us, that we don't know how to start and how to reach to the targets of the TPM terminology. So we had a consultant from CII, and under his guidance, Mr. Srinivasan was coming to us, and he guided us well, our people, and he educated us. Then we started the journey, and you can see that in 2009 we started by declaration of TPM policy and 5 years implementation. Then 4 pillars. The first JH, KK, QMPM, 4 pillars on model machine. That in model machine, management learn that how to implement the TPM way of working. They themselves come to the machine. They started working with the operators and they learn the TPM terminology, and they understand the pain areas in the machine shop or in the assemblies, and then they develop the standard formats and standard procedure of TPM implementation in the plant. Then in June we started kickoff that accelerate the TPM learning in the all areas. So this is all our journey that we in 2013 we achieved the award, TPM Excellence Award in category A. Then our TPM aim. Our aim, I was told you that to control the zero, achieve the zero in accident, breakdown, and defect. That was our aim. Then to blend the achieving optimized quality, lower cost, because cost was very important. It is not mass production company, so cost controlling is very challenging for us. So conversion cost, we are always thinking the manufacturing cost control projects. So so many things we have done. Boosting overall plant efficiency was the motto. Now this is our TPM policy declared by our business head, that in that objective was customer satisfaction, because customer should be satisfied, and always customer should engage with you. If customer is satisfied, then again he will give you orders. So that is happening with us. We have repetitive orders from same customers. Then zero in the accident and those. Then protect interests of stakeholders. This is very important factor, that once stakeholder got confidence, then they will again and again invest in your business. So to satisfy their interests is one of the more important responsibility of all people. Then employee involvement. Then visual factory, that concept we think for, that everywhere we implemented visual, like visual indicator, visual controls, and visual management, where we establish in the company. Then clean, neat, and green, vibrant working environment. This is very important, because the person work at the workplace should be happy. He should keep his energy for 8 hours, and he should enjoy his work. That was the motto. And skill and competency against among employees, that people should learn new things and adapt the new technological skills. So competency development of our employees, that was taken care. And reduce the first article inspection time. That FAI is one of the area, first article inspection in aerospace sector. This is the one of the important event, that after completion of designing and development of the product, the first article we are manufacturing, that time we fix all the parameters of that manufacturing process, and everything we are recording, and everything is documented and got clearance and approval from customer. That same procedure we should follow in future. That was the commitment. Those are how the last results and the top vision, mission, value should be connected. So that cascaded architecture we thought for TPM implementation, that the first 3 was company's mission, vision, value, that enriching quality life of every day, everywhere. This is Godrej mission. And in aerospace, on time, every time, through enhanced competency. This is our mission. Like that, we have integrity, trust, respect, environment. Those are our values. Globally trusted partner in aerosystem. So we are trusted by global, because again and again the global customers are working with us. we prepared the micro level activity plan where the key management index, key performance index, and key activity index are mapped in the micro level and with the respective pillars requirement. So this is the very huge mapping we have done. It is a very micro level activity we implemented where pillars relation and KPI KI activity. So this relation we built in the management targets. Then relation with KMI with pillar. So first, I think the basic about TPM is covered in your academic. So I am not going in that detail that which pillar is how that pillar is that much improvement we should do. So in 8 pillar, then this is one of the sample that how the KMI, KPI and KI of Jisoo Ozone pillar is implemented in the company. So key management vision mission value, then key management index. To achieve that management index, we decided key performance index. And to achieve that key performance index, we decided key activity index. So all those activity index are part of the KRA goal of people in the TPM circle level and at the management level. And those all weekly we reviewed and consistently supported those people to improve on that area. In TPM, the target setting process is the main targets are in terms of PQCDSM. So the measuring parameters are PQCDSM. In PQCDSM, what is the existing condition which we recorded because we know that philosophy that which thing is can be measured can be improved. If we can measure something, then we can improve that thing. So on that basis, the world level targets, what is the benchmark and what is the target, that mapping we have done. Then we prepared the master plan to implement the TPM. So this master plan, which we prepared in the 2009, as it is we implemented. So there is no pushback or backlog or change in the plan. Nothing happened. Whatever we thought in the 2009 Q3, that plan is as it is implemented. So that kind of dedication and commitment shown by our people. So to engage 700 people in one go and to think on the terminology with dual responsibility is a very challenging thing. So that this is our team. You can see our business head, Mr. S.M. Vaidya. Under his leadership, the 8 pillar leaders are here. I was TPM coordinator and Vivek Kamble was TPM secretary. So we both work together to implement the TPM at the grassroots level. So those are our visionary leaders. Now at the shop floor level, we established TPM circles. So here you can see 76 circles we form at that time, and all circles was committed to achieve the top line level thinking of TPM terminology. So every pillar there is a leader, and that leaders have the subcommittee, and the subcommittee have the targets that what he should focus on, and they review weekly. So this is the review mechanism we established in the company, and that is seriously monitored by TPM steering committee. So there is monthly one steering committee review we plan and execute. Now in TPM, the base of TPM is 5S. So 5S is nothing but we know very well about 5S. That in our we can simply saying that it is a housekeeping. No, it is not housekeeping. It is a terminology decided by Japanese people, where 1S is sorting, that whenever the workstation or workplace in office or in the production system, there should be a clear and clean workstation should be there. So there should not be any unwanted material at there. So we implemented 1S. Then 2S is everything have place and everything on place. That was the tagging line. Under this tagging line, we established the system that every required thing should have its own location or parking place, and people always maintain the discipline to keep the things at the place. Then 3S is cleaning, before cleaning, after cleaning. Then 4S is standardization, where we standardize the color coding system or the tools proportion and required appropriate tools available in the process. Then 5S is sustenance. Whatever 1S, 2S, 3S we implemented, if we neglect, then again it will go to 1S. So we decided to develop a continuous monitoring plan where we auditing all the plant is divided into zones, and we develop the audit system, 5S audit system, where the every department have its own coordinator, and that coordinator takes care in the department that how the 5S principles are strictly followed in his department. Once in a month, we decided the audit cycle that I will audit you, you will audit me, like that, the cooperative basis, that everyone is going in the entire corner to corner. So there is no man land in our company. So everywhere we know that which is the area and who is the owner. That is very easy for management to monitor the things. Now, whatever available resources we have, we done 1S activity, the unwanted materials removed, and develop the systematic arrangement for keeping the tools. So tools in shop floor, we have more than 10,000 pictures, different type of pictures and tools and gauges, templates. We are using it very huge quantity. So to identify, to keep all those required resources, and it should be available with the good condition. That was the requirement. So 5S was very helpful for us to achieve that. Then first pillar is Jisu Ojan pillar. It is autonomous maintenance pillar, or you can say it is in Marathi we are saying that it is Swayam Dekhbhal. So how we are taking care about our body. Our body is also one of the machine. So we are very conscious about our body. But on which machine we are working, whether we are very connected with that machine. So that level of ownership to develop in the people, that was the challenge, and that we successfully implemented. That our people now thinking that I operate, I maintain, I make, I fix. So the minor maintenance people learn to do. So that kind of changes happen because of this pillar implementation. And all the machines are classified in the A, B, C category, where the bottleneck or A class machine, where the majority production we are doing, and the bottleneck machine is specialized machine, because if the machine is breakdown, the entire process will stop. So that kind of machine is understood as a class machine. So we achieved the zero breakdown on most of the A class machine. One or two machines we retrofitted, because those machines was very old, 35 year old. So management taken decision to bring that machine at zero breakdown level. We invested something, and we done the zero breakdown achieved on those machine also. So this is the manager model machine. Manager first from our top management, entire DMC worked on those 8 machines. You can see all those are model machine, where we learn the concept and terminology, and understood that how to take care of the machine. As per the JIPM, JH pillar standard, we learn the things, and that same thing we percolated downlink, and the people learn and adopted the knowledge and skill to how to take care of their machine. So this is the model machine activity. Now JH pillar, the ownership of operator to take care of CLIT activity. So cleaning, lubrication, and inspection and tightening. So these four things are very important as per JIPS standard. So JIPM is saying that if you continuously monitor and continuously take care of the machine with this CLIT terminology, then your machine will not go for breakdown. It will be at the basic condition. And if you do more on that machine, it will reach to the optimum condition. So the machine builder even not thinking about that machine's condition, that level of maintenance condition monitoring you can maintain on that machine. So it is a step-by-step terminology. In every pillar means the team of the people. If JH pillar, all the machine shop people are participating. Where on every machine, the old machine or new machine, we are implementing 7 steps. So those 7 steps are step-by-step implementation, where initial cleanup, countermeasure against sources of contamination, formation of CLIT standard, overall inspection, autonomous checkup, all those steps are implemented on the machines. And the JH chairman certified the machine, and the machine is again and again we are monitoring with those steps. So till step 5 we implemented on most of the machines. Here you can see some examples that there are 7 type of abnormality as per JIPM standard, that minor flaws, unfulfilled basic condition, inaccessible places, contamination sources, quality defects sources, unnecessary non-urgent items, and unsafe places. So once you open one of the machine or equipment, you will find out those kind of abnormalities in the machine. So which are not in the machine at the time we buy the machine, new machine when arrive in the plant. At that time those things was not there, but because of people's behavior or habits or ignorance, you can say, so many reasons are behind that the machines is not taken care as per the machine builder specified requirement. So the books coming with the machines are kept in the locker in the cupboard of the maintenance department, and they are not aware and they are not that much interested to maintain the machine at the zero breakdown level or condition mode. So you can see lot of abnormality we observed and corrected in the near about 3,500 abnormality was corrected as per my roughly I can say. So maintenance department and production people was done very tremendous task at that time. This is 1 point lesson. It is one of the very good tool, that teacher student relationship, that I will teach to you, you will teach to another one will teach to another one. So there is a basic knowledge, troubleshooting, and improvement. 3 categories are there. So knowledge should be not with you all the time. Knowledge should be percolated to next person. So always share the knowledge. So developing the knowledge sharing habit in the people, this format is very important. Or do and don't type of things are there in the process or in the machine's condition. So we should follow this format, and it should be available with the machine, not in the files or in the office. It should be locally available at the workplace. So that was the requirement. Then good to find cases, that there are some abnormalities related to 3 bad, that breakdown, quality, and defects. Breakdown, accident, and defects. So 3 bads should be controlled. If we ignored all those 3 bad, then it will lead to machine breakdown. So timely responding to the condition of the machine is one of the important factor. So good to find case is one of the area that we found a lot of things in the machine that was not taken care by earlier, because of lack of knowledge or lack of policy, that we don't have that much stringent mechanism but because of this TPM implementation, we developed the structured way implementation plan. So now if one of the problem came, we know what is the solution and how to who will take care and who is the owner of that problem. So sources of contamination is one of the area where the contaminant is there. The reason behind failure of machines or equipment is because of contamination. The things are flowing in machine that should be channelized properly. If some oil or some chips or some dirt is accumulating at one of the area where it should not go, that is the contamination area, and that contaminant and that area of contamination, sources of contamination should be arrested. So next step is to countermeasure against sources of contamination. Then we design and develop some localized guarding. So the cleaning time and the safety precaution is improved in the machine. Then visual indicators. So now on machine that person was not aware that what should he do. He is aware about the operating of machine, but he is not that much competent to understand the how to take care of his machine. So those visual indicator stickers are pasted. The list of daily JH checklist we prepared, and that checklist is designed as per the machines and maintenance people's help, and that was implemented on all the machines. Then visual controls. There are inbuilt machine controls in the machines, that pressure meters are there, or upper lower level indicators are in the machine. So those indicators marking should be clear and neat. And so in daily round, the operator will observe and note down that if the oil level is low, then the action for him is to pour up the oil. So that kind of improvement we done on the machine. Visual management. So those are the some improvements that was not in the machine build provided by machine builder, but our people develop those visual management, and that was the one of the creativity. They said they can say that because of that creativity, their attachment with the machine and involvement was improved. Then those are the audit points. If the machine pass, the J chairman will sign the machine is passed step 1 audit. Like that, step 1, step 2, step 3, the auditing process is established in the company. Then J step 4, where we in J step 1 to step 3, the operator change the machine and machine condition. But from step 4 onward, the machine change the operator's mindset, because the operator's competency enhancement program is started. The operator was given the 7 training, that fasteners, drive mechanism, hydraulic, pneumatic, bearings, basic electrical safety. Those kind of topics was educated from experts. So we created dedicated training center in our plant, and all the peoples was educated. Now we created some models. On those models, people understand the hydraulic and pneumatic mechanism. So this is one of the format we JIPM recommend, that no why seat. Why breakdown is there? So we should know that this breakdown is because of this reason, that it is not taken care with the appropriate requirement of that, and the standard procedure is not followed. So it is related to breakdown, quality, and defects also, and safety also. The another second pillar is Kobetsu Kaizen pillar. So this pillar is a backbone of TPM, where we measure the overall equipment efficiency, overall human efficiency, overall plant efficiency. So there are standard measuring parameters and calculation tables are available. We should establish the system of data collection in the company. So we establish our strong data collection mechanism we have. In our ERP system, we are entering all the data. So 8-hour booking people are doing. So we are extracting that data in Excel sheet, and one Kaizen or improvement done by our, me and my colleague, that we set the macro on the Excel sheet. So by pressing one button, we are getting all the data of OEE of the machine. So group of machine, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever the time range or span you decide, that kind of report will be generated. So manual calculation is eliminated. Why KK pillar is implemented in our company? So less OE was less, high set of losses, the low productivity, then high equipment failure, manufacturing cost was high, and defects cost or defect loss was high. So those are the very important factors we should monitor. And the objective was to maximize the equipment efficiency for carrying out the process at the reduced manufacturing cost, because we are in the environment of project based industry where the things are not well set. We are establishing the things and we are establishing the parameters in the process architecture. So every time that was the challenge, that the cost of the process or cost of the cost parameter in all aspects, that variable cost and consumable cost, fixed cost, every cost is very crucial for us. And because of this KK pillar implementation, some out level we achieved the control on the cost, that cycle time monitoring and the non-value added activity monitoring, and controlling all non-value added activity. So you can see this is the standard table given by JIPM, Japan Institute of Plant Maintenance, where all type of losses are captured in the 16 type of losses, and its relation with a particular pillar is there. So first 1 to 7 losses are affecting the overall equipment efficiency. If we control or if we monitor continuously and improve the things, your OE will improve. So those 7 losses are very important in the company. If you are going to implement the KK pillar, those 7 losses should be taken care. So KK sir was requested me that you should talk on this topic very well, something more. So equipment failure loss, one of the, if machine is breakdown, then it will directly affect the cost of the top line and bottom line of the company. Then setup and adjustment loss. Without doing setup, we can't produce anything. So setup is essential, but what should be the setting time on the machine, or whether we can set offline, or we can develop or implement the quick change or automatic setting mechanism on the equipment or process. So that process architecture level we are thinking. And tool change loss, so that tools are continuously changed. In ATC or in CNC machines, you can see that 30 or 40 tools are uploaded on the magazine of the machine. So always the project or process change or operation change, the tools are continuously changed by operators. So that changeover of the tool, that was one of the area for improvement. Then startup loss, minor stoppage loss, speed loss. Speed loss is related to cycle time, where the standard cycle time is not achieved by the person because of fear or because of the process architecture is not strong. So or machine condition is not well. So operator is not running machine at the 100% specified speed and feed, and because of that the cycle time is high on that particular project. So speed loss is this one, and defect and rework loss. This loss is very crucial in our company, because in aerospace sector there is no scope for defect and rework. We are working on 100% quality parameters. We are not accepting any type of defect or rework in the process, because the component is fitting on the flying object or submarine or helicopter or missile or any critical mechanism where we can't take risk that because of that component the entire project will fail, or the machine will not function well. So there is no scope for accepting rework or defect product. So 100% quality assurance or 100% quality inspection and control. So metrological quality control and quality assurance control on the equipment equipment audit and specification compliance, and also machines calibration in all aspect, whatever the aspect design or defined by expert, that should be ready to produce that component. So it is controlled, very well controlled. Then those 5 losses which impede the workers efficiency. So here automation or improvement in the keeping things or relayouting, some kind of improvements we have done. So because of this, our operators efficiency is improved. Or workstation development, because in assembly or hello, whether I am talking, can you hear? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You
Yes,
can
sir. Yes,
continue.
sir. Please.
Okay.
Sir, you are audible. No problem. Go ahead, please.
Okay. Then very important aspect of the loss, that yield manufacturing cost. Cost is very important in the company. The fixed cost, then variable cost and consumable cost, manufacturing cost. So many cost parameters are there, which needs to be controlled by management. So it is challenging that where we are spending more, that area should be identified, and on every micro level we have the strong data collection mechanism, and we are continuously improving on those parameters which are not in our control. So those are some areas. Then approach for implementation of KK pillar is target setting, then draw the plan, then analyze the problem and draw the improvement plan, then implement the plan which is decided, then check the results. The results should be as per our target. So against our target, results should be cross verified, and freeze down the improvement. And once it is frozen down one of the improvement, you should think that where we can do horizontal deployment. So where the scope for horizontal deployment is there. Another aspect is sustenance, that once you achieve something, you always think for sustenance, that it should not go deteriorated. So that was the thinking. The philosophy is that. Then this is the loss tree, where overall equipment efficiency. This overall equipment efficiency consists of rate of availability, rate of performance, and rate of quality. In those areas, in our company, we in initial study and in one sample machine we studied. This slide is related to Micron machine, Micron 1000 machine, where we got the statistical data, where in which we found that the setup and adjustment loss was the highest parameter in our machine. So we targeted to control top 5 losses on that machine. So this is the stratification of losses, which are the directly came from data collection mechanism, and we plotted in the graph. So which are the higher, that set adjustment, management loss, measurement and adjustment loss. Like that, we step by step controlled all those losses on the machine. So here is one of the setup and adjustment loss. How further we work on setup and adjustment loss controlling. So this is the slide. Then approach for setup and adjustment loss, that we have implemented the approach of ECRS, that methodology we implemented, and another one is SMED. So ECRS is elimination, combination, reduction, and simplification. So which activity we found that this activity is pertaining in which category, and accordingly our correction of action or improvement kaizen or focus concentrated kaizens we implemented, and then again we cross verified with the target set by our management. Some SMED project we implemented. Here you can see 24 projects at that time we implemented SMED type of project. So it is not directly the dies in the your syllabus. Whenever we talk about the SMED concept, the picture was shown that the changing dies, heavy dies from the press machines. So that is not the case. In aerospace, we decided that the change or that from first operation to say second operation or first product to second product, what is the change over time? If that is the not single digit time, at there we are thinking that what automation we can do, what technological enhancement we can do, that somewhere we invested and improved the things. So jargon system we implemented on this machine where the quick change mechanism was implemented. So setup time drastically reduced on the machine. Then we established the mechanism in the management to study in the KK pillar that what is the cost and the loss cost. That cost loss and loss cost matrix we prepared, and we have done deep dive in the micro level that what are the hidden losses and where we can control and improve the things in the company. So this is the slide for that. Then we monitored overall equipment efficiency and overall assembly efficiency in the plant. So you can see that from 55% to 85% we achieved. Here in human efficiency or assembly efficiency, 32 to 85 we achieved. So TPM was very helpful for us to improve the things. Here are some results related to cost and finance, that production cost. Then next pillar is PM pillar, that plant maintenance pillar, where the objective is ensure the availability, reliability, and maintainability of the equipment to reduce the maintenance cost. Maintenance cost should be zero. That was the target, but that is not possible because we have a huge number of machines. So maintenance cost should be controlled, not at the higher end, because it is a non-value-added cost. It is a variable cost. So we established, as per TPM terminology, we established this methodology, the 10-step implementation methodology, which is designed by JIPM, we implemented in our plant. The analysis of equipment failure, that every failure is a learning opportunity for us. That was the psychology, or that was the philosophy, that in every failure we have done the deep dive analysis, that why the failure happened on the machine and exactly what was the reason. So you can see this YY analysis. So normally YY analysis is done from problem side, but in this PM pillar, YY analysis will be done from solution side. The why the play in the ball screw, then what is the reason. So that kind of thing we done. So we have practiced that all the breakdown will be analyzed by maintenance team. We have ERP system to collect the maintenance related data, so that we can get the data from the system, that MTTR, MTBF, mean time between failure, mean time to retrieve data, or number of breakdown happen on the machine, or say type of breakdown happen on the machine. So many micro level parameters we are monitoring, and that is available data in the system. So to build the history of the machine, we get after 5 years, if we evaluate the machine, then we will find out that which exactly the reason in the machine, or what is the parameter is not taken in the machine, whether that is weakness of the machine design or weakness of the management control. So that will be analyzed, and the final result we take the action to control the things. Here in maintenance cost reduction, we have taken the projects that spare part management, that inventory management of the spare parts, and second aspect is labor cost management, that internal and external, where internal labors number of laborers assigned the task, and another one external, that what is the subcontracting of maintenance is given by us. So that is also we had started controlling. Then AMC, so many AMC we studied, that what are the AMC given by our company, and how we can reduce those IMC, that in-house capacity we enhance the people's knowledge and competency, and because of that this AMC also we controlled. Then consumable, the leakages in the machines, and cheaper alternative or standardization, unification of spares, so or indigenous spare we develop, so no foreign imported spares required, because of the cost, imported parts cost was always high. So what are the alternative resources we have? So similar specification parts we supplier we establish in the company. So easy, that was the control on the spare part management. This quality management is one of the very huge and big topic. So if we talk 2-3 days, it will not complete, because quality management itself is a very you can see so many excellence tools are based on this quality management. All of you in an academic learn about the Six Sigma. So one of the very popular tool for quality management. So in aerospace sector, if we relate this quality management, we are working for 100% quality. So there is no scope for defect, rework and rejection. We are not repairing and reworking the things. Once we manufactured, the first time right is the terminology. So if the first time the parameters are not achieved, that part is not useful for us to deliver to the customer. So you can understand that what the components are very complex. The process architecture is very tedious, and in those the material given by customer was very exotic material like titanium, inconel. So material cutting is also very challenging in our company, and to achieve the surface finish and the standard parameters or specified parameter is one of the very big challenge. But we establish in the system in our company that we can achieve the 100% compliance of the quality. If the defect occurred, so we are not saying that there should not be any defect in this. Maybe there will be any reason. Because of that, once if the defect occurred in the system or in the component, we classify in A, B, C category. So in depth, you go in Google and study, because this presentation is very long presentation. So this is ready-made available data in the Google. Then a 10-step methodology of implementation of quality management pillar. We implemented this 10-step methodology. Even our people are doing 8D analysis for our quality defects. So 7Q application of 7QC tool and 8D analysis, we have people and they are doing the analysis. So that deep dive help us to strengthen our existing process, and the feedback is given to manufacturing engineering for changing of parameters or in design or tools or pictures or machines or equipment. So that was the continuous monitoring system is established in the company. Then Office TPM. Office TPM is also implemented where the office people's efficiency, the processing time was high, that 30% high. You can see the office people's monitoring in the aspect of quality, quality documentation, then on-time documentation, then optimum or sufficient or required documentation, then 5S in the offices. So many things we done. The office equipments condition monitoring through JS terminology, office hidden losses in the, here you can see the 16 type of losses also hidden losses are in the offices, where the waiting time, searching time, transportation, clarity of information, unclear targets, so many inaccuracy. We also started educating office people and implemented these office TPM in the plant. Continuously taken so many education rounds. Here you can see the entire team of management of various processes, office processes. We design the standard procedure for all the processes. The jointly study of the stakeholders was done through Makigami analysis. This is the tool recommended by JIPM, that Makigami analysis, where the input data, then output data, then what is the time, what are the losses, that kind of use paper, and people work together on the entire process mapping, where the various stakeholders are there. Then stores, purchase, planning, methoding, all peoples work together on this paper and togetherly decide the process architecture of that process. That strengthening of the existing processes, that exercise we have done. So for that end-to-end office process mapping, analysis of existing process, identification of non-value-added activities people are doing in the offices, then collaborative work in the departments. So interdepartmental transaction losses, then accuracy losses, so many. We have developed the strong data collection mechanism in the company, because in aerospace it is very essential to keep the records for a certain period. That is the agreement with the customer, and till the time we should maintain the data with us. So that is the mandate from in the contract of the customer, which enforce us to do that. Then education training is one of the very important pillar, and that is my interested pillar, because I worked in this pillar from last 11 years. You can see that the objective of education training pillar is to develop the structured education and training system in the company. Then the objective is to improve skill level of employees and capability building, to analyze the issues and arrive to the countermeasures. So people's competency level enhancement and make the people's process competent. That was the objective. So you can see that deep skill level up as per requirement, multi-skilling of the people, and loss elimination. Because of lack of knowledge, so many people are doing mistakes. So lack of knowledge is one of the key aspect for education pillar, that we educate the people, we give the knowledge, and we give training, and once he is certified by the standard design of the education training pillar, we assign the actual work to him. This education training pillar also, we have the targets, that which process we have, how many people should be there of the level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and whether we have that mapping. So our HR department and education training pillar jointly working with the production people, that what is the requirement of project and what level of competency people should be there. So that is the continuous exercise we are doing. This is the set process that define the approach, educate the people, then training the develop the training facility, keep the training record with the people. This is the mandate in the aerospace. Then training activity, then skill enhancement of the, and multi-skilling. So where the every person is have his skill matrix with the education training pillar, and what is the skill gap or the education or training need is identified regularly every year. Every person's skill matrix and knowledge and competency level is measured by his immediate boss or his department head, and accordingly the training education training plan is prepared, and in that certain period he should be educated, and he must go to next level, so that structured manner, structured mechanism we have, and that is also requirement of the standard AS 9100 revision D. In aerospace, we are working under the standard of AS 9100 revision D. Also, we have a lot of 8 to 10 NADCAP certification. We have 45,000 ISO 45001 certification. Also, we have ISMS 27001 certification. So we have the certification, and we respect those certificate, and we have the continuous monitoring mechanism to maintain as per the standards requirements of the aerospace system. So for that, education training is one of the very key area. This some one training in training TPM training center we established this at that time. Then step 4 training records we kept that how many people educated. We done several round of classroom training. Then shop floor round training. You can see here we are educating people at the shop floor. So it is ongoing continuous activity that the people are always connected with the topic, are always eager to learn new things. This is the mapping spider diagram where one of the individual here you can see this person, his role is inspection. So what is his competency and where he should be? So that competency mapping we are doing, and giving education and training, and then he should complete the evaluation of his training, and once he certified by the committee, he will be at the next level. So that is the established mechanism we have. We have a very good culture developed in the company where the people are engaged with the various activities. So we are celebrating Ganpati festival, Navratra Utsav, so many things we are doing, Satyanarayan Puja. You can see here we are engaging people. We have carom facility. So we give opportunity to people to present on the in the work committee or in the top level management EC board or in front of company's owner. Some people presented very good Kaizen or improvements. So that is the employee engage activity we have done. Then safety, health and environment is one of the key aspect where this pillar is where safety is very important for us. Safety is not only for us, safety is very important for everyone in the human life, because in TPM terminology, safety is measured in 3 aspects. One is human safety, another is equipment safety, and third one is product safety. So this product safety is very important in aerospace sector, because the cost of the component, when the component is uploaded from bandsaw machine or laser cutting, the raw material blank is uploaded in the system. That flow in the various workstations, and the journey of the product is 15 days or 30 kilo, 8 to 10 kilometer. The number of operation, even you can't imagine that we have the components where 450 operations, various type of operations are we are doing. So it is very critical that if the component is not reach as per the standard dimensional way, visual dimension, and whatever the customer's requirement, at that level the component should be manufactured by us. And once the component in between department to department, person to person handling is very important. In between, if the components is not kept very well, or it is spoiled by somebody, so the that is a huge loss, because the capacity invested in that component manufacturing is totally gone. Another one, we should start from zeros. So that is a planning will be spoiled. So that is a very big loss for us. So this safety is, product safety is one of the very important for in our company. Human safety would always we respect that safety first is our slogan. That every process or everything we are doing, we are always thinking what is the safety measures to be taken. That what are the hidden hazardous condition is there. Whether so that mapping is continuously happening. So in health, this is the company where the people's health is taken care by company very well. We have dispensary, yearly health checkup, checking facilities there, and where we have very hygienic condition at the workstation. So the clean, neat, systematic environment is there. The noise level is less than the standard decided parameter. So elimination is sufficient at the workstation. So that aspect we have already taken. Even in offices, the ergonomically well workstations we establish. In assembly also, in inspection also, the workstations are taken care with the ergonomics. Then third one is environment. Godrej, the very known company that it is committed for environment. If you know or not know, I don't know, but in Mumbai, we have green patch of near about more than 600 acre in the center of the Mumbai. So we can say those are the lungs of the Mumbai. So the pollution is not here. The very clean and green atmosphere our company is maintained, and it is committed for environmental. Even we have the policy of green product manufacturing. We have green purchase policy. So here we committed for environmental, where we are always committed to use the minimum resources, that natural resources or that water or electricity or air we are using for process optimum. So that is already we doesn't want to do more in the that area, because it is taken care at the corporate level by company. Our safety approach is that proactive approach, that not reactive, that we should wait for accident. We are seeing here it is as a incidence, not at an accident. Accident is happened. Incidents means that is happened, or proactively we can develop the unsafe act or unsafe places or unsafe behavior monitoring mechanism in the company, and we should not allow the to do any accident. So we have record that continuously 3000 days there is not any single reported or not non-reported accident in the company. So you can say that we established through education training pillar. Whether I am audible, Kulkarni sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir. Please,
Okay.
please go.
Okay.
How much time is required to conclude, sir?
Last 10 minutes.
Okay.
So this is our safety approach. Then pollution control norms we are following. This is the one of the picture where our business head is committed. He's doing plantation in the company's front of the gate. So you can see that the top level people are committed with the company's green policy. Then development management is the last pillar, where our company aerospace division is this pillar is very important for us, where the new product development, new product process development, new tools development, and new equipment vertical startup. So all three aspects we are focusing. So it is a very big study where our manufacturing engineering, industrial engineering, maintenance department, planning department, project team, all people are together working to establish the product process. So this is in short for that pillar. That is a very big task and a huge activity in the aerospace. Then we got some intangible benefit that the ownership of equipment by operator is improved. So you can see this clean, neat, bright atmosphere in the workplace we achieved. So some tangible and intangible benefits we got. So not financial, financial and non-financial, both benefits we got through TPM implementation. So some achievements we can see. Then those are milestone in TPM journey when we started in 2009. So this is the kickoff where we started. This is Mr. Srinivasa. You can see the first photograph, and here down Mr. Vaidya, our business heads started given the kickoff and taken oath from people that we are committed for TPM. Then in second two photographs, you can see the CII top level consultant done assessment and health checkup of our company. They given some feedback to us or some improvement area. Not NC, they given scope for improvement, and we worked on that. Then we challenge for JIPM TPM Excellence Category A award that Mr. Sugura and Mr. Nakamura. So two professors from JIPM audited our done assessment in 2013, and second assessment was happened in the October. So first assessment is in May, second is in October, and they were very happy, and we got the TPM Excellence Award Category A in 2013. So you can see in photograph our business head and general manager received this award at in Quetta in Japan. So this was the journey, and the learning from this journey was very useful for our people to establish the culture in the company. So our journey is continue. So this is the end of my presentation. I am happy that I was given an opportunity by our management to contribute in this journey. And from at that time, I was assigned the very big task as a TPM coordinator, and successfully I was done that activity. So later on, I was given so many tasks and activities. Now in 2020, you can see that even I am working on ERP system also. So thanks from my side. I give thanks to Mr. Ashok Keche that after 20 years, maybe we again came together on this platform and talking with the students. So it is a wonderful experience for me. So I say I would like to thank Mr. SM Vaidya, our business head, Mr. Vinod Bosle, our VP, and our Associate General Manager, Mr. Kishore Patil. They motivated me to take this webinar session. So this is from my side. Thank you very much.
Patil sir.
Yes.
At the outset, I am very much thankful to you. You have given very nice and informative session,
Okay.
and you have explained very nicely the business excellence through TPM.
Yes.
And I am proud of you.
Thank you very much.
And I extend my sincere thanks to Mr. SM Vaidya, business head,
Yes.
Godrej Aerospace, for
Yes.
extending kind cooperation and support to organize the webinar on Journey of Excellence through TPM. I am also thankful to Mr. Vinod Bosle and Mr. Kishore Patil for their support to organize this seminar. Patil sir,
Yeah.
you have very nicely explained the Toyota, a way of using operational excellence as a strategic weapon
Yes.
to enhance the productivity, profitability, and efficiency of the machine.
Yes.
And my dear friends, the harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. and the best example is Mr. Lalit Patil. Now I request Professor Quazi sir to propose the vote of thanks or to conduct the question and answer session. Quazi sir, please.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So some of the questions from the participants will be taking. One of the question is what effective tools and strategies can be used to address a bottleneck arising due to high cycle time on CNC operation in production line?
Sir, you want me to answer?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
This is a question for you.
Yes. Where bottleneck we have approach of TOC terminology that we are setting the MTO MT bit to order and 1 minute. So we are following TOC terminology for scheduling these bottleneck machines, and whatever the in-house capacity we have, we upfront we calculate the capacity of the project and what are the timeline and what are the priorities set on the bottleneck machines, and accordingly we subcontracting also the remaining part to vendors. So we have very good vendor base we established, and we have a vendor development team is there. So the bottleneck is shifted from one machine to another machine. Bottleneck is not always constant at one place. So once you shift the bottleneck from one workstation, it will go to another one. So it is not always there. There is a challenge for the shifted bottleneck to be taken care by planning and project team. So that was the approach. So TOC help us very well in this monitoring this capacity.
Thank you, sir. The next question is, in performance monitoring for improving productivity, how can I distinguish the right tools? How can someone distinguish the right tools in performance monitoring?
Is related to equipment or human?
I'll repeat the question, sir. In performance monitoring for improving productivity, how can I distinguish the right tools?
So as per TPM terminology, we are monitoring, we are implementing KK pillar where we are taking care of non-value added activities, how much non-value value added activities are there. So the definition of value addition is that whenever the size, shape, appearance of the component is changing, that is only value added operation. So keeping this in mind, whatever the unwanted activity people are doing, we are continuously monitoring. We have the structured way approach to control the top 5 losses, and because of that our efficiency and productivity is improved in the system.
Thank you, sir. The next is how are TPM and lean related?
Yes, very good question. TPM terminology is something, some area covered, we covered in the lean manufacturing terminology. The seven type of waste they are controlling. The terminology just from last 2 years we started to focus on lean manufacturing and Six Sigma also. So we are not stuck up at the TPM terminology. TPM we use for establishing the process improvement in the or productivity improvement. But lean manufacturing is the overall company efficiency where unwanted inventory or cash flow in the company. So the material flow and information flow synchronization. So all those things we learn the TPM and somehow the portion is of lean manufacturing is adopted by our team. But now we
Actually,
started lean manufacturing.
TPM is a tool of lean manufacturing. It is a part of lean manufacturing.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, sir, Lalit sir and KJ sir. So the next is how to learn the TPM tools and be able to identify and eliminate loss through TPM implementation.
How to learn TPM? There is a JIPM org or .com site in the Google. You can find out the sufficient material is available. How to implement the TPM? There is a roadmap of TPM how to implement. Also, what is the presentation given by me today? It is also a roadmap of success of TPM implementation. So there are so many companies and examples that if you find out on Google, you will find out the way, because every business and its business profile and its product process and environmental geometric geographical things are different. So there is no standard procedure to establish the TPM. It should be studied by top management and implemented as per our own architecture.
Thank you, sir. So the next question is, how many days are required to implement TPM, and how to implement the 8 pillars one by one or both pillars at a time?
As per JIPM guideline, there is a time. And in category B, the small or small scale company or medium scale companies are implementing 4 pillars, that JH, KK, PM and QM, 4 pillars they are implementing. So it is a well defined process of JIPM, and they are giving a very good guideline, and they have the educated consultants available in the market. They guide to people.
Thank you, sir. So the very live questions that are coming now are how to capture minor stoppages and idling losses.
Yes, very good question. So just now we completed the AI training. Before my starting my session, the Mr. Mandar was covered that portion. That now recent industry 4.0, we are focusing that how much automation to be done. So manually data collection or maintaining data in the Excel and doing formulation and analysis, that is the old terminology. Now companies are going for industry 4.0 revolution. In that revolution, IoT platform is there, where we are capturing. We fitted one of the in our company. We fitted one monitoring mechanism with machine. So when our machine stop or the current the ampere or current level is down, that time the machine's record is recorded and the QR code is fitted pasted on the machine. There is a scanner that operator scan the code and automatic data captured in the ERP system. So these those new technological enhancements are coming. So minor stoppages are taken care by all those IoT tools, which are now started in the revolution.
Thank you, sir. One of the question is, in TPM, what's the role of APQP, PPAP, and Six Sigma?
Sorry, I don't understand.
In TPM, what's the role of APQP and Six Sigma?
Okay, APQP we are taking care in the last pillar, that DM pillar, development management pillar. So we have set a process of APQP documentation, and Six Sigma is one of the tool to get the statistical data, where the percentage is in 1 lakh parts, only 4 parts are permissible, or that is a terminology that we should collect all those data and You should not allow the defects to come in the process. But in our company, that much volume is not there. In automobile companies, you can see that their components volume is very high. So there the Six Sigma terminology is more suitable for them. But in our company, we can in very few numbers we are producing. So Six Sigma is not directly applicable, but we are focusing on first time right terminology. Or whenever the defect come in the process, we immediately do YY analysis, 7QCT tools application, and 8D analysis, and we eliminate the losses by applying focus Kaizen, quality Kaizen, or POKA implementation in the tools and fixtures and jigs.
Thank you, sir. Some more questions we'll be taking, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
One of the question that is, I think there is a concluding question. Is it possible to integrate manufacturing concepts like TPM, TQM, Lean plus Agile, Six Sigma, and DMAIC plus sustainable manufacturing into a single bundle?
It is not readily available, and it is not all the tools are not suitable for all the businesses. So if we take an example of our company, so we are not going to implement all the tools together, because it will increase the amount of work with the management to keep the data, to maintain the data, to set the various targets. So it is not required as per the requirement of the company, where in the starting of the slide I was told that for process improvement we selected, after the several rounds of discussion, we decided that TPM is suitable for our process improvement only. But later on 2013, after 2013, we are whatever the learning with the people, we are continually with us, we are following the TPM terminology, but we are not challenging any awards, next level award. Our strategy is changed, and now we are focusing or implementing the TPM business excellence EFPM module, that we are now targeted that before 2022 our score in the EFPM assessment should be more than 600. So that is the change in the as per the years and year, and business to business, and time to time management is changing the decision. So there is no hardcore requirement that all the tools together you are going to implement in the company. That will make so many confusion in the people, because every terminology have their own formats, their own targets. So people should be free for working. They should not be busy with this non-valuated activity of maintaining all those data collection and data mechanism charts. So I think I was answered you.
Okay, thanks a lot, sir. Some more questions which are posted by the participants, that will be, if possible, will be forwarding it onto your email, sir.
Okay.
So now we'll be moving towards the vote of thanks. So I request Professor TPK sir to take the charge.
Thank you, Quazi sir. Patil sir, you rightly mentioned that these techniques should not become the unwanted activities itself, right? So we should not
Yes.
add so many activities that these activities become the non-value added activities. So I like
Yeah.
that thing so much. Yes, and you have really demystified the concept of TPM, because whenever this TPM comes in picture, so there is a lot of things, and we just see that this is a kind of some magic or something like that, and which is happening to the organization. So it's not like that. It requires a lot of efforts and a lot of planning, and a lot of uh, good work is required to achieve the excellence. And we have truly understood these things from your presentation. And I would rather say that the same is happened with the earlier presenter, and the AI is also kind of an some magical thing, and we are not, that is not our cup of tea, so that we believe. But
Mm.
Mr. Mandar Kulkarni rightly mentioned few tricks and techniques where we can enter the world of this AI. So
Yes.
it was really wonderful 3 hours, and both of you have received a lot of comments, and people like participants have mentioned that the session was very nice and very informative, and they have appreciated both the speakers through the comments. I am
Only
very much
uh, sorry, but here I
so
like to
I am
add
very
one
much
thing. Here I like to add one thing
yes
that
sir, yes sir,
in private
yes sir.
sector aerospace companies, so many companies are now in line in India. We are the only company and the first company in private sector which achieved this TPM Excellence Award. At India level, you can count that only our company is TPM Excellence Award company. And within Godrej group of companies, our company was the first company which got this excellence award in category A. So this was the wonderful achievement for us. So we doesn't have any experience of TPM, but from scratch to the achievement, and we stick to the plan as per plan. Whatever decided in 2009, exact plan was implemented. So there is no alteration or modification or delay in the plan. So that was the beauty, that people's commitment to the subject and respect to the management thought process is very well seen in our company.
And yes sir, and the efforts you and your team have, whatever efforts have taken, that we have went through your slides. So I thank you so much, sir, for giving us an opportunity to demystify this concept of this TPM and AI. uh, I am also thankful to our honorable principal Dr. SP Bhosle sir, who has given this opportunity. I'm very much thankful to Professor VM Chidri sir, who is an alumni coordinator or alumni dean affairs for our MIT group of institutions. I'm very much thankful to the Dr. KB Kulkarni, vice principal academics. Uh, I'm very much thankful to the head of the department, Dr. AJ Keche sir, who is continuously supporting this activity, or rather, he's continuously working for these webinars. uh, this webinar is possible due to the my teammates, Mr. Quazi sir and Praveen Lad sir. I am very much thankful to the both of you because this is happening because of your continuous support and encouragement. Uh, and with this, I take this opportunity to thank you one and all, dear participants. Thank you all for investing your time into this wonderful activity. Uh, the feedback form is available now, and you can fill the feedback form, and you will receive the certificate of participation for the same. Thank you one and all, and with this I declare that the session is ended. Thank you sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks, Lalit sir
Thank
and
you very much.
TPK sir.
Thank you, participants. We don't know who are the participant, but for patience that continuously you are engaged with our session.
Yes sir, yes sir, the question quality shows that they were engaged. Yes. Thank you sir.
Thank you very much.
Once again, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.